Whenever anyone starts out on their hiking journey, they inevitably think about waterfalls. It's the first thing that came to my mind when I started my hiking journey. There's just something about it that makes it seem like the ultimate adventure when you first start out. But how do you find these waterfalls on Alltrails? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Alltrails, my go-to hiking app, to find waterfall trails like this. Whether you're using your phone or the desktop computer, today you're going to find out how to find the best waterfalls near you. Also, as in the hike out here to Twin Falls, the app shows this trail as closed due to Hurricane Helene damage. But if you scroll down to the first few comments like I did, you'll see that some of the hikers have hiked this trail and said that it was open and available. So that's very critical to know. You want to read those comments, as a very wise friend of mine always says, always read the comments. But from that, you're able to tell the conditions before you drive all the way out here. You'll know that the trail is open or closed and available for you to hike. Here's the most critical tip. You're going to want to download the Alltrails map to your phone before you head out here to any waterfall that may or may not have GPS signal. I always recommend downloading the Google Maps to your phone as well, because you're not going to want to get out here and find out you have no signal. Now, to be able to do that, you're going to need an Alltrails Pro membership. Trust me, you're gonna love it. But it's going to allow you to download those maps to your phone. I do have a video showing you how to do it. I'm going to link to it up here. So, full disclosure, I do get a little kickback if you use my link to download your 7-day free trial of Alltrails Plus. So, what I'm going to do, I will put that link down in the description for you to try it out and find out all about the features that I love with Alltrails. When you open the app, keep in mind that I have the Alltrails Plus membership. You'll notice at the bottom left, you'll see the Explore button is already lit up. Below the search bar, you're going to see Nearby is already selected. And in that search bar, you can type in the word waterfall. But if you scroll over here in the filters, you can select the button that says Waterfalls. Now, once that you do that, you can use this button right here next to the search bar, and you'll notice that there are 32 at the bottom. You'll see 32 trails that are close to us. Best match is already selected. We can change that and show closest, newly added, different criteria. If we scroll down farther, we can refine our search as far as the activity that we want to do, the difficulty, and the length. Also, elevation gain. Now, down here, we can click the button that says Waterfalls. Planning on a larger screen, we're going to go to the Alltrails website, because that'll make it even easier. You're going to go here to where it says Explore Nearby Trails, and you're going to find that this section right here says to zoom out because there are no waterfall trails near our area. So if we zoom out, we're going to see to the left that some trails are starting to populate here. So what we want to do is click here where it says All Filters, and it pops up the same menu that we had in the mobile app. We can scroll down here and we can choose Waterfalls. If you notice, it has 2 trails, but that's going to change here shortly once that we zoom out. Let's say that we choose hard, and let's say we choose running. It's going to click 0. So what we can do is change that to all, then close our menu, And now we just zoom out. As you can see, now it has populated this menu with more trails that we can use. So if we wanted to change to a easier activity, we can change that to easy. Now, as you can see, 42 trails. So this is a very easy way to come in. We can use these filters to change the results that we get. And all we need to do is zoom out if we need more, or if we want to travel farther, or if we want to stay local, then we can zoom in and pick the ones that are closest to us. Now, I'd like to hear from you guys. What's your favorite waterfall hike? Drop it in the comments, and maybe we can make a list all together for like must-see waterfalls. I'm in South Carolina, but hey, I may travel to where you are. If y'all found this video helpful, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you don't miss another adventure. And if y'all love hiking tips, check out this video. I'm going to put it right up here. It's going to show you more ways, more tips to get the most out of Alltrails. And until next week's adventure, I'm out.